welcome back to Tenny
and Cherry. In today's video, we are going to play
the famous people quiz.
So how are we going to play?
So we both picked 5 celebrities each, which will be questioning each other. It's like my 5 celebrities, she'll be answering them, and the celebrities she picked, I'll be answering them. So this game has 5 points in total, and if we guess the celebrity correctly, we'll be getting 1 point, and if we don't, we lose the point, and whoever leads wins. So it's simple as that. And all the celebrities are quite famous. They're well-known celebrities we have picked. I think I have picked like that, and I hope Cherry has picked. And we both don't know each other's questions, so this is a fair play, completely fair play. So without further ado, let's get started into our game. I hope you don't do well so that I'll win.
I think I'll win.
Let's see. I think I'll win.
First, we play rock, paper, and scissors
to choose who goes first.
Okay.
So let's see.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
She goes first because I choose it that way.
Okay.
So the celebrity I picked, only 3 seconds timer will be there, guys. I forgot to inform it before. So ready?
I'm very nervous.
After I show the picture, you'll have only 3 seconds time. So all my pictures are in my tab and her pictures are in her tab. So there's no cheating involved. I hope she didn't
cheat.
So let's start the game, and you have only 3 seconds after I show you the picture. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Time up. Wrong.
I don't know that.
Guys, she doesn't know. She doesn't know Harry Styles. You don't know Harry Styles.
Oh, now I know.
You don't know. You use the watermelon sugar. You don't know Harry Styles, but you know watermelon sugar.
I know his songs,
Okay,
not
you
his
lost
face.
Watermelon sugar. She knows his songs, but not his face. This is not fair. Apologize right away to Harry Styles. Apologize right away.
Sorry, Harry Styles and his fans.
Oh, she doesn't know Harry Styles. But
Okay,
she
now
watermelon sugar every day. Oh,
now
you lost the point already.
okay, fine. Now
Okay.
it's this.
My turn to answer, and I'm
girl.
confident. I think she doesn't pick the celebrities I don't
Okay. In 3, 2, 1.
DiCaprio.
3 seconds have passed.
But I said the answer 3, 2, 1, and then I said the answer.
You said the wrong answer.
Ooh.
It's not DiCaprio. It's DiCaprio.
I said the correct answer.
No.
DiCaprio.
No.
You didn't even guess it. That's why you got 0 point. I said correctly.
But the timer got
But
over.
still 3, 2, 1. That's counted actually. You didn't look up the game properly.
Okay,
I got a point.
fine.
Ah,
She gets a
How
point.
could I not know DiCaprio? How? Okay, so anyway, I got a point, people. I'm leaving. Fine. Okay, the second celebrity, and I picked a very easy list actually. I don't know why she's not able to guess, so let's go. 3. I will show the picture. I'll show the picture and then 3, 2, 1. 3, 2,
Mary Kom.
1. Okay, she guessed Mary Kom correctly. So Mary Kom is a boxing champion. She's very famous here in India. I think she's famous worldwide also. We admire her. So I picked Mary Kom for this game. I admire you, Mary Kom. Okay, so she got 1 point. Anyway,
Both got 1 point. Fine.
But I guess the first picture. Okay, I'm very nervous. I wish I win this thing. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Who's he?
3, 2,
John
1.
Park.
No. Out. It's a member from C and Blue, a Korean band.
Yeah. You know Jonghyun. You know him.
Just
I
apologize.
really don't know Jonghyun from
CN Blue.
CN Blue. I didn't think my sister would pick a K-pop group. I'm really sorry to CN Blue, Jonghyun and his fans. Really sorry. Oh, how did I lose this point? How could I not know him? I should have known him.
I know you don't know him.
Shoot.
Now it's your chance.
Okay,
She
stop
didn't
that.
got a point.
Anyway, I guess.
So now
So
it's
the
my
next picture-
chance to answer.
I think this is very easy, guys. Everyone knows this person. He's like, if she doesn't know him, she should just leave Earth and go and settle in planet Mars or something. Everyone knows him, so this is considerably a very easy question. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Time up.
Who's
Run. She doesn't know Robert Downey Jr.
Who's that?
Iron Man. That's all, guys. This is the end of her in this Earth. She should leave to planet Mars soon. I mean, how could you not know Iron Man? At least if you have guessed Iron Man, I would have given you a pity point. I mean, seriously, better go. Avenger fans. I am an Avenger fan myself. How could you not do Robert Downey Jr.? Apologies right away.
Sorry.
Iron Man, how do you not? You watched Avengers Endgame in theater, right? How could you not know? He died in Avengers Endgame. Oh, seriously, this is the easiest question in this list. Okay, fine. I can't do anything. Apologize.
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Okay.
You're my sister.
We both are still stuck in one
1
point.
point, but I'm confident now. She doesn't even know Robert Downey Jr. She should leave to planet Mars now.
So
Oh.
it's
Okay.
your turn. In 3, 2, 1.
Ariana
3,
Grande.
2, 1.
She's Ariana Grande.
Ah!
So easy. I mean, you thought I couldn't know Ariana Grande people. Ariana Grande, I know her. I got 2.
Can you please give me some easy questions?
Wow, this is the easiest list I would have prepared. I know ton of celebrities you don't know and I didn't even pick them. You picked the celebrities I know. I think this is the 4th image, right? This is very easy.
No.
If you don't know this person,
No.
just leave the universe, okay? This is the easiest question. How could you not know Robert Downey Jr.? How could you not know? That's your mistake.
That is past.
Like
Now
95% of the humans in this earth know Robert Downey Jr.
I know he's Iron Man.
Really, you could have guessed it. Fine. Anyway, I'm bleeding. Okay, the next picture is very easy picture. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Time up. You don't know? You don't know this person? You really don't know this person. You're not joking. Guys, she doesn't know this person also. You should move out of this universe soon. Do you know who he is? Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7. You don't know him. You don't know, really you don't know. I'm not joking.
I
How
think
could you
he's
not
a
know?
football player.
Yeah, he's a football player. You don't know Cristiano Ronaldo? He has millions, tons of fans all over the world and you don't know him. Oh. I mean, guys, I can't pick an easier question than Ronaldo. People, this is not fair. Apologize.
Sorry.
I mean, I picked the easiest question of the universe by picking Robert Downey Jr. and Iron Man. And Ronaldo, and she doesn't guess them. It's her bad luck. She doesn't know Ronaldo. Oh.
Okay.
How could you not know Ronaldo and live on this planet?
Now it's your chance to answer. If you don't get this, you should move out of this universe.
Let's see.
Not universe, galaxy.
Uh-huh. I will guess it right. I bet that person is very
3,
famous.
2, 1. 3, 2,
Michael Jackson.
1. The countdown has ended.
Excuse me, I guessed it correctly. It doesn't end also. It's correct. I guessed it correctly. Show them. I guessed that correctly. I mean, how could I not know Michael Jackson? How could you expect me to not know Michael Jackson? 3 points to me.
Okay.
3
I am still stuck in
points.
1 point.
I mean, this is going to be your last picture, I think. Yes, this is the last picture, and if she doesn't guess this, this is the toughest, I think, of the list I prepared. I don't know if she knows this person. Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 3, 2, 1.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
J.K. Rowling.
J.K. Rowling. I mean, how is she J.K. Rowling? She's not J.K. Rowling, she's Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi's mother. She's J.K. Rowling. Everyone, from today she's J.K. Rowling, no assistant. J.K. Rowling, hello. How could she be J.K. Rowling? She's wearing a sari. How could you even guess she's J.K. Rowling? Fine, apologize. Sorry. Wow, she only got 1 point. I'm already the winner, but still, I'll guess the last celebrity she chose. And she doesn't know Sonia Gandhi. That's okay, but she should move out of the universe since she doesn't know Robert Downey Jr. and she doesn't know Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Kajal Agarwal. I
Countdown
but
has
still,
ended.
anyway.
No points for you.
I know it, Cherry. I guessed it. I just became blank, but I'm getting a point for this.
No.
I
This is cheating. The countdown has ended.
no, but still fine. Anyway, I'm winner. I know her at least. I didn't tell she's J.K. Rowling or Harry Potter something. I guessed it correctly. I'm the winner. Who's the winner? With 3 points, and I guessed the 4th one too. Only one I didn't guess. Jong Hyun and then. But still, I'm the winner. Who's the winner here? Me. Who doesn't know Cristiano Ronaldo and Harry Styles? Please kick her out of this universe now, right now. How could she not know Cristiano Ronaldo? I mean, how can you be my sister without knowing Cristiano Ronaldo?
I know Cristiano Ronaldo, but I never saw his face.
Oh, this is the biggest joke I've ever heard in the whole life of the universe. Fine. She'll probably move out of the earth today or tomorrow. Whenever the video is publishing, we are moving out. People are gonna be hurt by watching this video. Anyway, I won, and that's all matters.
I think I would win.
Oh, I picked the easiest list and still she didn't win. We have no hope. Anyway, so this is it for today's video. And the winner is me. Claps. The loser is her. No claps. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the famous people quiz. Do try it out with your own siblings,
So-
parents, and friends too. It's interesting.
At the end, I would like to apologize to whoever I missed.
You missed everyone except one person.
Who's that one person?
Who is that? Mary Kom. At least you know her. Or else you should move out of India right now. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.